Welcome to Phaser. We thank you for visiting our website. We assure you of complete satisfaction after watching the video of our signature product, Phaser Power Conditioner. We are introducing Phaser Power Conditioner for welding machines for the very first time in the history of welding. The concept of our product is indigenous and it is designed and manufactured entirely in India. It reduces the no-load and full-load current when used with welding machines, demonstrated clearly in the video ahead. Our product helps in saving huge power in welding machines, thereby reducing electricity bills and contributing towards a greener planet. Please take a look at the 360-degree view of our product. The continuing video will proceed with demonstration of single-phase and three-phase machine with Phaser Power Conditioner. Thank you. Do Earth a favor. Be a power saver. You can see a simple setup for welding using a three-phase welding machine. This is a three-phase thyristor type DC welding machine of which the output is connected to welding holder and the input is connected to main supply panel. The main supply panel consists of an on-off switch, three-phase multifunction meter, input cable and three output terminals RYB with protection cover. As we switch on the system, we can observe the no-load current to the welding machine, which is approximately 3.28, 2.38 and 1.82 amperes. As the welding starts, we can see the welding current is approximately 200 amperes. The input load current is approximately 20.76, 20.29 and 19.47 amperes. The bow results are without the power conditioner and also quality of welding can be observed. Now the power conditioner is placed between the welding machine and the main inputs panel. Cable of power conditioner is connected to main input panel and cable of welding machine is connected to 3 output terminals of the power conditioner. With main switch on, we can see the no-load current as 1.53, 1.76, and 0.43 amperes approximately reduced to half of previous value. As the welding starts, we can see the welding current as 200 amperes, no change. The input current at mains panel as 13.54, 12.43 and 12.06 amperes approximately reduced by almost 35%. The above results are with the power conditioner. Now you can compare the quality of welding.